time for another test of our handgun bullet torture test. Well, this isn't maybe so much torture, it's testing how accurate these different defensive bullets are. So we're going to shoot 25 yards today. 5-shot group, measure the extreme spread of those. Then I'm going to choose the best 3-shot group from within that 5-shot group. And we'll see how each of these do. Alright, we're about ready to get started. We're going to fire these in the following order. First, the Sig-Sauer V-Crown, then the Remington Golden Saber, then the Barnes XPD, and then 2 of my reloads, starting with the Hornady XTP, and finally the Hornady HAP. Alright, that's the Sig-Sauer V-Crown 200 grain bullet. 5 rounds fired with the Springfield-Armory loaded model, full-size 1911. Not a bad group here. This might be our best 3. 2 over here. Okay, this is the Remington Golden Saber. 5 rounds. For some reason, all went to the right off of the bench there. 3-shot group here, not bad. 2 kind of flyers. That seems kind of common. Barnes XPD, 185 grain bullet. Fired from the same pistol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rounds. This might be the best of the 3. Alright, the Hornady XTP 230 grain bullet. Now it shot really well, right on the bullseye. Now that's because that gun is zeroed for this ammo. The group actually does look pretty darn good. Nice 3-shot group here. 1 pulled here outside the black, but this looks a very promising round, very promising bullet for these XTP. There's our 5-shot group. We actually had 1 off the paper with these Hornady HAPs. Best 3-shot group, maybe these 3 right here. Alright, so after 4 rounds, we see that all these bullets are really still neck and neck with one another. 5-shot groups were pretty much at 2-inch group sizes. 3-shot groups were pretty much at 1-inch group sizes at 25 yards, and the overall score is ranging from a low of about 80 to a high of just 86, about the mid-80s. We've got yet another test coming up that's going to be a true torture test, and we'll see how these bullets fare.